So the recording is on, and today is the 5th July 2020, and we are on a Sunday fun aging call. How did we get so lucky? And how did I get so lucky to have you people around? And everything that all the Pest Juniors, all the DJCCs, all what this fucking fun aging is, what is this Kamal talking about, and everything that you haven't perceived, known, been, and what is it? Perceive, know, be, and receive. Would you be willing to destroy and unkill it all? And open your floodgates for receiving. Okay, come all, come everybody. I'll have everything. I'm willing to have everything, even the judgments, even the people talking about me, even people condemning me, even my body is giving me pain, whatever, I am willing to receive. I have all the tools, come on, open doors. Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and get it all right from good, bad, awkward, on my short voice and beyond? If you're willing to live with the fluidity of possibilities, instead of coming to any conclusions, living from judgment, decisions, you actually wake up those parts of your body that you have put to sleep. Oh, इसकी तो जरूरत नहीं है. Unconsciously or consciously, what all you have put to sleep in your body, would you be willing to wake up, shake up, show up, step up? Everything doesn't allow that. This time, get it all right, wrong, good, bad, pop, all night, short, boys and beyond. I was looking in reference material, and there was one clearing which was of Ruth euthanizing. Gary comes out with amazing words, euthanizing. I will see it and I will write it in the group. Okay, guys, any questions?
What is all that about euthanizing?
I don't know. Euthanizing.
Youngest.
Yeah.
Euthanizing तो ये होता है ना, euthanizing. Otherwise तो euthanizing होता है अगर कोई मरना चाहे और उसको मतलब if you have permission उसको injection दे दिया जाए. It's some terminal.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah. What do we do? We do that to our bodies? Do we do that to our bodies? Telling our bodies, oh, यहाँ wrinkle आ गया, oh, बाल सफेद हो गए. Are you euthanizing? What are you doing then?
That's very interesting.
How many conclusionary realities do you have around you? Around your growing up, around your aging, around your birthdays.
What about birthdays?
I mean, your birthday, 1 year all gone. Isn't that a conclusionary reality? Yeah, I'm getting older. So how much entertainment of your body to aging do you have? All the time entertaining yourself with, oh, I'm getting old, oh, I can't walk, oh, there's a wrinkle, oh, I have a hair white, oh, this is bulging, my that is bulging. Is that your entertainment? Would you like to give that entertainment and choose something else?
Yes.
Everywhere you're entertaining yourself from morning to evening, criticizing your body. Would you be willing to choose something different?
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bindu. Right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, on my short voice and beyond.
My latest has been this lockdown. have
Yes.
stopped coloring my hair, and I didn't realize I had so much gray hair because I've been coloring for so long. So it's an interesting new look. Yeah, sometimes, yes, it does bring up some stuff. But overall, I mean, it's okay. So maybe if you could just run
There
a
are
hearing
lots
around
of people,
gray hair in the
lots of
lockdown.
people haven't been dyeing. Lots of people haven't been dyeing their hair, and they're
Exactly.
liking their look.
You know, actually, it's both. I like it and I don't like it. So I just like to have more ease around that.
Yeah. What would it take? Just have it. Choose every now moment when something comes up. Say, no, I'm having ease. Create, generate, change, choose, institute, whatever you desire, just by with your ask. Just by with the choice. Just with the choice. What else is possible? So I ask you one question. Can I ask you one question? Are you prepared for the future?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
No, I think I'm just living in the moment now, because just there in the moment.
You know,
I
Gary always says that it's a lot of work if you're living in the moment. I mean, of course, it's not negating living in the moment. It's beautiful. It's not making it wrong. But there is got to be a future, right? Like we say, okay, आज का पैसा है, ठीक है, कल देखा जाएगा. Gary always says, what if you had created a future? What if you were willing to create a future? I don't know what he said, the exact words are coming now. What if you were willing to have the future waiting for you when you arrive? The one you want, the one you desire. Then living on in a mystery. What if you tapped into your future and you knew what the future would be, and you have made the choices to create the future that you would like to have?
That would be more fun. That would be fun.
So please include your future in the now. Okay, what would it take for me to make money now and in the future? What would it make? What would it be fun to be living my life now and in the future? So please include your future all the time. Would that be more joyful living?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honors, short boys and beyonds.
How can we do that?
Just by asking, co-creating with just by asking. It is very easy. It's not, don't make it difficult. Okay, you're having fun now. Can I have this also in the future? Can I have beyond this in the future? When you say, you pat yourself and say, oh my God, I did that. Universe, can I have more? What are you asking? You're asking more all the time. Now and in the future. When you're grateful for now, you're asking, that is the universe getting for the future also. The message that, okay, she's grateful, let's give her more. Every choice you make, ask, what will this choice create in the future? Is it going to contribute to the future that I like? Just by asking, you'll get the awareness. Start asking questions if you want more from your life now and in the future. Everything doesn't allow you to be consciously co-creating. Begin daily begin to consciously co-create your life with the universe. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, online, short, boys and beyond. How much fun can you have doing that? Oh, I can do that? Oh, I am a demigod? Oh, really? I can do that? Is it possible? Yes, it is. If you are willing to have it.
Kaval, today in the message you have written that you have a SOP class. What is that now for? I thought you
love
have
that. I love that.
लालची औरत है ये लालची औरत है
Actually, it's for body class, but I don't know what made me write in the fun aging class, because I think Sagri asked a question.
Give me the loot. Mamta, give me the loot.
These bitches, these bitches have asked for it, and they are going to get it. So, and anybody
No
who
take backs. No take backs.
no take back. So that's what I'm saying. Anybody who reads it and anybody even who thinks that that's what they will like, I will add that into my energy.
Amazing, Kamil. And
So आज आपको 9:30 को हमको एनर्जी ऐड करने का था एनर्जी पे इसके लिए
नहीं इसमें कुछ ऐड नहीं करना. You just मैंने इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी हैं. You just lie down.
नहीं you have to आपको हमको एनर्जी पे लेना था इसके लिए आपसे वो उधर आ गया. You have to write in another
बिल्कुल you are the creators. I acknowledge that. So what you do is at 9:30 just lie down or sit or whatever you're doing, be present with your body and say I'm willing to receive. That's all you have to do, nothing else. I also put an audio in the, did I put that also in the fun aging?
There are so many things यार आपको जो समझ आएगा सबके लिए कर देना वही.
Yeah, exactly. Whatever you do it for everybody.
को बोल दो मुझे नहीं समझ आना. मैंने तो यूनिवर्स को बोलना है. आप यूनिवर्स को बोल दो.
Okay.
How powerful
बोल
is your
दिया
ask? I will just contribute to that.
Very
Okay,
one
so
thing very.
Are we done?
One thing.
Bye bye. Or we have any questions?
No, Kaval, one thing really good about these morning classes is 8 बजने में 5 मिनट में my stomach is clear. It is, like a warning bell. चलो 8 बजने वाले हैं, please free yourself.
I know.
Awesome.
नहीं 8 में 5 मिनट में टेबल पे आ जाते हैं चाय का कप भी लेके सब.
You know what? I'm waking up 6:30 in the morning. By 8, I have to take a bath and get ready with my mango shakes and all, so that I can be at 8 a.m. on the table.
Vanisha, that is really an achievement. Congratulate yourself and ask, can I have more of that?
Yes, Kamal, that is what I actually am acknowledging, that how powerful I am. I'm waking up without any alarm, without mama's call. Otherwise, I was a girl who used to wake up at 10 a.m. with mama's alarm, not the phone's alarm.
Yes.
Actually, I'm just wondering, how does it possible? What else is possible, and how does it get any better than this? Because it's abundant.
The body is just part of the molecule structure of oneness. And when you are connected and with one with everything, and your ask gets actualized. It is your ask that's getting actualized. Just be aware of it, present with it, and ask the universe, can I have more of that, please? Because your body is part of that oneness. Because your body is an infinite being.
Yes.
It can change. It is your ask that, your body is an obedient servant. You say, I want to get up for this call, and body says, Tathastu. Ma'am, I will wake you up.
If I want my body to shed a little fat at a particular place, can I tell it?
That is your judgment. Body doesn't know what it has to do. You are just saying fat, it will say, I will create it. It doesn't know right, wrong, good, bad. It doesn't know no, yes. It just knows my boss is saying fact. Your body is the judgment you have of it. What if you asked your body? You're judging your body. You are killing your body by your judgments. What if you asked your body, what would you like to look like? And it might surprise you. It might show you beyond what you can even imagine it can look.
Okay, I would like to share some.
Body,
want to do.
let me just finish this. Body, would you like to change? Body, is that what you desire? Body, what would you like to look like? Empower body, like you empower your children, like you need to empower your people working for you in the homes, in your offices. Would you get more work? Get the energy of it. Don't go into your head. Would you get more work done? Would you be more efficient? Would your department be more efficient? Would your house be more efficient if you let it create, let each and every molecule create itself? Yes or no?
Yes.
So why are you struggling with it, darling? It's very easy. Just ask and receive. Everything doesn't allow you to be present with that. And get the fuck out the judgments from your life. Would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, fuck, bad, all short boys and girls? You can have the judgments, darling. After having said that, you can have the judgments. It's not wrong or right. It's just a choice. Yes, Vanisha.
Kamal, I was judging my body because everybody is saying that I have started accumulating fat during, my stomach area, nearby to it, and I'm slim, so it doesn't look as per people's point of view. Till the time I'm just buying the same for me, I was just having more of that, right? And since I started coming on the book club, started with the prosperity and call with Malvika, right? Since almost 2 months, I couldn't even figure it out where that fat has gone. It's like जो मेरे को टाइट लगने लग गया था ना, जो भी टांगों से, स्टमक से या कुछ भी मुझे फील होने लग गया था कि फैट है वहां पे, ऑटोमेटिकली गया and my clothes are same as before earlier.
So how does it get any better than this, and what else is possible?
Actually, I'm so feeling so blessed, and I'm just saying to universe how powerful I am. Can I have more of this, please?
Yes, please. Yes. What is that I can change here? In any area of your life, make a demand of you. You see how energy changes when you are supposing you just had your good nice meal and you are lethargic now and you want to go and sleep, and suddenly there's a doorbell ringing and somebody you really love walks in there. Is there a lethargy still there, or is that like that changed?
They change.
Changes like that instantaneously. Just the bell rings. Maybe when the bell rang, you said, "Oh my God, मैं तो सोना चाह रही थी, ये bell क्यों बज गई?" And when that person just walks in front of it, all lethargy gone, everything gone. See, that is how fast you can change things. That is intimacy. That is intimacy with you. If you have it with you, you have it with everybody. First, have it with you. What is it that your body requires? What is it that your body, co-create with your body, ask your body, be there for your body 24/7. What can we change, body? Do we require to change also or not? Show me, what would you like to look like? Everything doesn't allow you to be present with that. Would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, popular, on boys and beyond? Yeah, guys, any more questions?
कवल, ये ग्रुप में आपने डाला है perceiving anger in you and then ask is what is the lie spoken or unspoken. I didn't understand anything.
My God, Mamta, इतने देर से हम ये लाए अनस्पोकन और स्पोकन कर रहे हैं. मेरे ख्याल हर कॉल में 2-3 बार करते हैं.
Yeah, but then you said perceiving anger in you.
हर बात, वो तो कुछ भी हो सकता है। परसीविंग एंगर में झूठ हो सकता है, कोई बात कह रहा है झूठ हो सकता है, कोई सुना आपने उसमें झूठ हो सकता है, देखा कुछ उसमें झूठ हो सकता है। हम जो कुछ भी देखते हैं हम सोचते हैं कि सब सच है। वो एनर्जी जो हैवी है, कुछ भी करते वक्त वो जो एनर्जी हैवी है और लाइट है, कंफ्यूजन है, इसके लिए पूछो यहाँ कितना सच है और कितना झूठ है। कुछ भी हो
Kaval,
सकता है।
I say that make things easy.
हाँ जी, तो हाय तबीता। यस
Renu,
यस
Renu.
रेनू।
Kaval, you spoke about this means planning your future.
I did not say planning your future. You, of course, you can plan your future. You can plan your future,
Yeah.
but I did not say plan your future. I said include your future.
Include your include your
No,
future.
no, sorry, no,
So
sorry.
I have decided something for it, and I'm getting this thing that the children are not agreeing to what I am deciding. So how do I tell them, and how do I make it possible?
What have you decided? Would you like to share?
Yeah, मेरे को दोनों बच्चों को अलग करना है.
Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Is it controlling or is it what they are asking?
The daughter-in-laws are asking for it. The sons are not asking.
So will it contribute more? Truth. Will it contribute more?
No, I feel my younger son will be at loss.
Feeling is the body feels. Sensing is what you sense. So get to the energy of it, my love. Not to the story of it. Get to the energy of it. Yes and no. What comes up?
Yes, it's high time they should be separated. That's the feeling I get.
I love that. I love that controlling Renu.
No, it's not a control. It's just a very
Okay, if you just left it.
practical decision.
Okay.
Practical
No,
decision.
if you just left it. You didn't make any decision. And you said, okay, show me what will create more. Universe, show me what will create more.
Okay.
And can you trust that? Can you wait for that?
I will wait.
And keep asking every day, universe, show me with ease. Sometimes ना मैं शुरू में बोलती थी show me, और जा तो मैं ट्रिप कर जाती थी, वो टूट जाता था जो मेरे को नहीं चाहिए था. Funny, I'm just saying, I don't even know what happened. But when you ask, like I used to ask, oh, I wish I could travel. And I was traveling every month. And then I was saying, oh my God, I don't. So when you say it happens, but you don't know. You don't know what would be really contributive for them. You don't know what will work. You have to tap into that knowing, that universal knowing. So
it's not a control. It's just a practical decision what I want to make now.
So if you were not going into practical, if you had gone into practical, I mean, if your life was, you were very practical and what did you say? Practical and what was the other word?
Control. It is not my control, but I want to do something for. या तो मैंने इसको buy किया हुआ है लोगों से कि भाई बच्चों को time से अलग कर दो. So now
क्या है जब आप आपने ये बोला कि मैंने बाय किया हुआ है, क्या लाइट था कि हैवी था?
लाइट आ रहा है.
तो इसका मतलब आपने बाय किया. ये आपकी रियलिटी नहीं है. मेरी रियलिटी क्या है यूनिवर्स?
So when I see the girls very unhappy, what do I do then?
That is their unhappiness. Everywhere you made yourself demigod, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? इतनी देर से आप लोगों को खुश कर रहे हो, क्या आप सबको खुश कर पाए?
नहीं.
फिर छोड़ो ना, रेनू को खुश करो.
कवल मेरे तो
रेनू चीख
मेरे
चीख के बोल रही है मुझे करो और तुम फिर भी दूसरों का देखी जा रहे हो। हाँ बिंदु,
इसके चक्कर में मेरे बाल सफेद हो गए हैं।
कवल कवल
और तुम भी बिंदु,
तुम
तुम भी बिंदु उसको ब्लेम करो, हैं? ये कोई
अच्छा,
ब्लेम
मैं
गेम चल रही है क्या?
और कवल आपके जितने सफेद है उससे ज्यादा सफेद हो जाएंगे ये
बहुत ज्यादा।
और मेरे तो ऐसे ही सफेद हो गए, मैं तो कोई टेंशन नहीं करती।
मैं भी नहीं करती बस।
मैंने तेरे को डिसाइड बताने के लिए गरम।
कवल,
हाँ।
Renu being the head of the house and little considerations for her daughter-in-law is not wrong.
तो जब मैं बार बार ये कहती हूँ ना कि जब मैं ही आपको पढ़ाऊंगी और मैं ही आपको स्पून फीड करूंगी, क्या आप अपने लिए सोच पाओगे? What is empowering? You thinking about you and you creating your life, or Kamal telling you to create your life? What is more empowering?
No, I'm wanting help from you.
Yeah, help हो गई।
नहीं, I'm just answering ममता। रोज किसी को मच्छी देना खाने के लिए वो बेटर है कि उसको मच्छी पकड़ना सिखा देना?
मच्छी पकड़ना सिखा देना is the right way, but then सिखाने के लिए जैसे आप आ गए और आपने कहा मच्छी पकड़ो, so हम पकड़ेंगे ना। I mean,
अब जब ये तूने ये बोला हम पकड़ेंगे, लाइट है कि हैवी है? हम पकड़ेंगे, लाइट है कि हैवी है?
पकड़ेंगे तो लाइट हो जाएगा ना बाद में।
पकड़ेंगे तो लाइट हो जाएगा। You said it. पकड़ो, मैं कह रही हूँ पकड़ो।
But रेनू बात ले रही है तो ये उसके लिए भी ईज हो जाएगा ना, उसके लिए
अगर
हो जाएगा घर में।
अगर अब आपने पते की बात करी, अगर उसके लिए ईज हो जाएगा तो करे। Will it work for me? मैं क्या कह रही हूँ? Will it contribute to me? Will it be something that will be joyous, ease, joy and glory? Then do it.
Yes, that's
not because my sister-in-law is unhappy, my daughter-in-law is unhappy.
No. उसके लिए भी कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा ना। She will also feel light every day.
हो ना हो, तुम कौन होती हो सोचने के लिए? वो चाह ही नहीं रही, वो कंफर्ट चाह ही नहीं रही। अगर वो कोई भी कंफर्ट चाहता है तो वो देखता है, वो यहाँ होता है, वो अपने लिए कुछ चुनता है, वो चाह ही नहीं रही।
This is bang on.
तुम उसको चेंज करने की कोशिश कर रही हो, उसको देने की कोशिश कर रही हो। सुबह से शाम तक खाना टेबल पे रखती हो, खाना ही नहीं है, बच्चे बाहर खाना चले जाते हैं तो क्या? मैं तो सुबह से खाना बनाया, उनके लिए अच्छा खाना बनाया, वो बाहर चले गए खाना खाने।
दूसरे दिन खिला देंगे ना, दूसरे दिन नहीं
ममता डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट।
मैं तो दूसरे दिन।
ये हम सारी जिंदगी बोलते रहेंगे ना, तुम वही रहोगी अगर आप नहीं बदलना चाहते।
It's not the changing, but
उसी तरफ सोचो बेटा, दूसरी तरफ से थोड़ा शिफ्ट करके सोचना शुरू करो, थोड़ा शिफ्ट करके सोचना शुरू करो। When you start looking, I'll tell you the benefits of start looking at yourself. Start looking at yourself means having intimacy with yourself. Having intimacy with yourself means having trust in you, honoring you, being an allowance of you, being in gratitude for you, and being open and vulnerable. अगर आप ये सारी चीजें आपको मिल जाती हैं अपने लिए, आप जब भी कुछ भी कर रहे हो, आप अपने आप को ऑनर करते हो, आप ये क्या लेगेसी इस प्लेनेट पे छोड़ के जाओगे? लोग, यू विल बिकम एन इन्विटेशन। लोग आपको देख के कहेंगे मैं ममता जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ।
ट्रू।
तो जब आप ये करते हो कि मैं इसका फायदा करूं, उसका फायदा करूं, उसका फायदा करूं, उसका ध्यान रखूं, और मेरा तो मैं लास्ट में आती हूँ लाइन में, तो कौन आपको फॉलो करेगा? ना आपकी बेटियां, ना आपकी डॉटर इन लॉज, ना एनीबडी इन द वर्ल्ड। कहेगा ये तो बेवकूफ थी, दूसरों का करती रही, कुछ नहीं मिला इस बेचारी को।
क्वीन थी, क्वीन बेवकूफों की।
क्वीन थी बेवकूफों की। So what, both in these both things, what would you choose? Would you want to leave a legacy that will change the planet? You are fucking here to change the planet. All of you are here to change the planet. You are the one who gets it. That planet requires change. Like Earth gets it. So everywhere you made your past, everywhere you made your learning, everywhere you made whatever the fucking you heard from people, correct, right, perfect, whatever, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad,
Yes.
cock, or not, short, wise, become the real leader. Real leader requires no followers. What energy does it require you to be you? You. Ask that question every morning. What can I add to my life? What's the most profitable action, rewarding action, joyful action I could take today? और क्या एनर्जी बनूं कि वो मैं ऐड कर सकूं? क्या एनर्जी बनने की जरूरत है मुझे, होने की जरूरत है मुझे? That joyful, that happy, that bindas, that energy brings more of that into your life. And then allow yourself to be guided into a higher possibility and awareness. Then the whole kainat is with you. It's kat, main hu na. Am I getting somewhere?
Absolutely.
It takes you to the choices that you can now have. But once you ask a question, then let go. Let go that question to the universe. पतंग उड़ा रहे हो तो चलने दो उसको जहां तक जाना चाहती है. Don't control it. पतंग को तो हम कंट्रोल करते हैं, but don't control it. Let the balloon, gas balloon go.
I should send my balloon now.
Yeah, just say universe, show me what will work here. Create it for me, but with ease. ये जरूर लिख देना. वो क्रिएट कर देगा. कहीं दोनों की लड़ाई इतनी हो जाए कि अब उन्होंने बाहर ही जाना है. Don't create something just.
मेरे यहाँ problem, should I share it? I don't know. My sons are too much binded. But वो जो wives हैं, वो they don't talk to each other since last 14 years, 13, 14 years.
Oh my
So
God.
it becomes a very difficult job for me to maintain the house environment.
Everywhere. Would you like to give up that job, please? Fire yourself from that job.
I've started giving up. But वो जब कान में
नौकरी से इस्तीफा दे दो. ये
नहीं दे पाती हूँ ना, because no one is ready to accept.
ये तुम
And my son say that जो हो रहा है होने दो.
My love, energetically give इस्तीफा. इस जॉब से मैंने आज से इस्तीफा दे दिया. आज से मैंने इस जॉब का कोई काम नहीं करना. जो मेरे को एनर्जी आएगी मैं बस वही करूंगी. When you ask, what I meant was when you let go, you don't need to control and be in allowance of to show up when it shows up. Don't control it. मैंने जैसे हमने कितनी बार बोला है कि पौधे को सीड को लाके रोज देखने जाओ, बड़ा के नहीं बड़ा, बड़ा के नहीं बड़ा, निकाल के उसको देखो बड़ा क्यों नहीं है, क्या नीचे क्या हो गया, वो कभी नहीं फलेगा फूलेगा. लगा दो सीड, बोल दो क्वेश्चन, उसके बाद वेट करो क्यूरियोसिटी एंड वंडरमेंट से क्या होगा. क्या होगा, प्ले विद इट. What else is possible that I haven't even considered?
But the children are not bothered. They say, "ऐसे ही रहने दो. We are not going to change them." But कहीं ना कहीं I feel very responsible कि मेरे को पूरा दिन उनको संभालना पड़ता है.
What does responsible mean? Ability to respond. Responsible का मतलब है ability to respond. What is this situation asking me to respond to? Is it asking my response, or is it asking my response is to shut up? See, you laughed. That's light. So follow your lightness, darling. इतना इसको छोटे से दिमाग को मत तंग करो. मजा देखो, उनकी लड़ाई में मजा देखो.
वही तो देखना नहीं आ रहा है ना.
तो देखो ना कि यहाँ आते हो रोज करने from curiosity and wonderment and trusting that universe is working on your behalf. Now your ask is that you want peace, right?
Yes.
You want ease, joy and glory. Are you saying it every morning?
Yes.
All of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory.
Joy and glory, yeah.
So that asking is bringing this now into you in question, and you asking the universe, and now it is universe's job to work on your behalf. Tune into your awareness and notice what choices feel light. Then take the inspired choice, inspired action in that moment. पहले सोच के प्लान करके नहीं. In that moment, what is the inspired, aware, lightest action that you can take? Be in question. And above all, trust everything that's showing up. Don't go into the wrong. ये गलत है, ये बात है. क्या पता वो दोनों किसी पिछले जन्म की कहानी खत्म करना चाह रहे हैं और तुम बीच में घुस जाती हो.
I'm getting aware about it.
खाना पका रहे हो और वो खाना ऐसे पकना चाह रहा है, ज्यादा करना चाह रहा है और तुम पानी डालती जा रही हो उसके अंदर और उसको चेंज करती जा रही हो. I don't think that's a pretty silly example, but anyway, I'm sure you got the energy.
But that's a very powerful example, Kamal.
So thank you. Above all, trust that everything is showing up for your highest good. You all are together because you are contributing to each other. वो क्या हो रहा है उससे आपने क्या रिसीव करना है, वो दोनों आपस में क्या रिसीव कर रही है, उसका खेल है, उसको खेलने दो. पिछले जन्मों की कोई डिमांड है जो आप पूरी कर रहे हो
और ये वैम बन के बीच में आ जाती है.
I know. Remain grateful for whatever shows up. Whenever it shows up, without judgment and without judgment, but keep asking questions. With asking questions, I wonder what this lie is going to show up. I wonder what can I do here. I wonder what is the next choice that I can make. I wonder what all of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory. ऐसा कुछ भी हो ना, ये पकड़ के बैठ जाओ. All of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy. बस. And you will change the.
कमल डे शुरुआत इससे होती है.
उन्होंने करना है. परम you were saying something?
या ऐसे डे शुरुआत इससे होती है. Ease, joy, glory, कमल का face. Ease, joy, glory. अच्छा, thank you, Renu, asking this question. Responsibility is such a heavy word. My God, such a heavy word.
It is responsibility. आपने heavy बना दिया. Otherwise वो कहता है इस वक्त मेरे को कैसे response करोगी? बस question पूछो, इस वक्त कैसे response करना? अब इस वक्त कैसे response? इस बंदे के साथ मुझे कैसे response करना? उसके साथ मुझे क्या करना? That's all you have to do. It's so much ease.
What we heard. कुड़िए तेरी जिम्मेवारी है करना, तेरे माँ पे संभालना, सास तेरे संभालना.
जिम्मेवारी किसी दी नहीं है. उत्ते वाले दी जिम्मेवारी ओनू दे दो. ओदी जिम्मेवारी ना ले जाओ.
I know. We are giving him back. I'm giving. Father जिम्मेवारी. Yeah. Thank you.
Something comes to me listening to this. I feel Bindu and the family, they are so fortunate. All of them are here. And all of them are willing to not go into trauma drama. You know, I have so many friends who are on the same space. They are not willing to go to trauma drama, but my family is not there. You know, my sisters, मेरा पूरा दिल करता है कि कहीं उस space पे बात करें. They don't even talk honestly. You know, they're just हाँ जी क्या हाल ठीक this, that, and nowhere want. If you start talking, then all you know is that trauma drama will open up with no willingness to actually, और trauma drama और अपनी समझ के नहीं ऐसे जो पुरानी समझे हैं वो लगा के moral whatever.
तो निपी मैं तेरे को एक बात पूछूं,
हाँ.
एक सजेशन दूं.
हाँ, please.
Is your point of view keeping that on hold?
हाँ.
Is your point of view keeping that on hold and not letting it change?
Oh, okay. So I say interesting point of view. I have this point of view. Wow.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Actually, I have solid point of view. I act
And
superior.
wasn't this question light?
It was very light. I am somewhere very superior, bitch. I think I know all. They don't know anything.
That is
Thank
why
you.
universe has given you this family.
निपी
वो लोगों को प्लीज फ्री कर दे. जब तक
Yes.
पीरियड बिच होएगी वो बेचारे और कुछ नहीं चुन सकते.
Yes.
निपी कंवल हम सबको सुपीरियर बिच बनाती जा रही है.
I know.
हम तो शुरू से समझते हैं अपने आप को.
बिल्कुल.
नहीं यार, नहीं
बिल्कुल.
हम शुरू से समझते, इन्होंने और फाइन ट्यून कर दिए.
अवेयर कर दिया बिंदु, अवेयर कर दिया कि जहाँ हो वहाँ छोड़ दो.
सही बात है.
My God, that was very light. I was feeling that somewhere, something needs to be done about these people. I don't know how will that be done, etc.
And how was that done? Just by asking a question.
Thank you, Kaval. It's light for me also.
Sorry, if every time you pick up, 1 minute coming to you, Renu, every time you pick up the phone to talk to them, lower your barriers and ask, how can this be a contribution to all of us?
Yeah, thank
And
you.
then be you. जो दिल करता है बोलने को.
Yeah.
Thank you, Nippy, for asking this question. Yes, Renu.
Kaval, it's so light for me now. अब मैं I will enjoy seeing them not talking and जो मेरे कान वो लोग भरते हैं आके उसमें ऐसा हो गया. I'm not going to listen now.
Nahi, listen to it and just keep poking and podding in your mind. Be a beautiful listener.
Okay.
They want only to listen. They want somebody to listen to them. They don't want anything to be sorted out. उनको सिर्फ कोई कान चाहिए सुनने के लिए. तुम सुनो ना आराम से, और जब वो जाए उसको टाइट सी हग दे दो बस.
But then I get emotionally disturbed जब ये बातें होती हैं तो मैं बहुत डर मेरे को एक fear बहुत है. I have this very bad implant in me which is fear.
Fear of what?
Fear of breaking the family.
Roll. Allow yourself to cry.
पर फैमिली अगर अलग रहती है तो ब्रेक थोड़ी हो जाती है.
नहीं, बस वो खुश रहते हैं, बाहर रहते हैं तो.
They are happy. Seeing them happy, we are happy. Okay.
I know.
But that was very...
Everywhere Mamta is juggling to control Renu and take her right to cry. Would you be willing to destroy her? Let her cry.
ममता की daughter-in-law नहीं आई अभी ना?
Can you laugh at her crying? Can you give yourself that permission, Mamta?
Yes.
Laugh at somebody crying. Maybe that will be a laugh.
Strong.
But when you cry along with somebody else, nothing comes out of it.
मेरे को तो हर चीज में कॉमेडी दिखती है, whether it's दुख सुख whatever यार. मैं तो कुछ ना कुछ उसमें कॉमेडी
है ही कॉमेडी है.
हाँ, तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
You get to know the joke of life.
ये रोती है, मुझे बहुत हंसी आती है.
मेरे को भी आ रही है. So what were you saying, Renu?
चलो जब तक
लाइट फील हो रहा है जो आपने बोला है, पर मैं फिर कहीं ना कहीं I have that fear, पता नहीं क्या होता है मेरे को कि मैं बहुत जल्दी डरने लग जाती हूँ सब कुछ।
क्या फियर होता है, मेरा क्वेश्चन है।
वो मेरे को भी नहीं समझ में आता, पर मैं हमेशा सबसे डरती रही हूँ।
आज कैन यू कमिट टू योर सेल्फ कि डरना बाहर, आउट ऑफ माई बीइंग, आउट ऑफ माई हाउस। डरना क्या होता है, उसको बोलो, डरने को बोलो कि दिखा तू क्या होता है, आ जा मेरे सामने, आ जा। कुछ नहीं होता डरना। डरना ये हमारा ही भूत है जो हमने अपने आप को बताया हुआ है। कभी कहीं देखा किसी ने? सारे बताओ मुझे, किसी ने देखा है डरना? डर क्या होता है? इट्स योर ओन परसेप्शन।
हाँ, किसी की ऊंची आवाज भी होगी ना तो मेरे को पेट में कॉन्ट्रैक्शन शुरू हो जाता है।
उससे कब शुरू हुआ था ये?
बचपन से है।
कब? कौन सा? आंखें बंद करो और कौन सी एज, क्या नंबर आया?
7 years.
Okay, can you go back to that 7 years and give a hug? उस 7 years को किसी ने उस वक्त हग नहीं दिया था। जो भी कुछ हुआ था वो 7, क्या हुआ था 7 years में?
I don't remember anything.
Did somebody shout? I'll ask you questions. Tell me which one is right. Did somebody shout at you?
I was afraid of my mother.
Okay. So would you bring your mother in front of you and you become a 7 years old? Can you now look into her eyes and say, I am no more fear of, I don't have any fear of you anymore. You are 7 years old and your mother is there standing in front of you. Close your eyes or not. Just confront it. Stand there straight up. No, with your shoulders at the back, and say, I have no fear of you, and I have no fear of you anymore. And give a 7 years old a tight hug. And apologize that even I wasn't there for you. You were not there for 7 years old when you were 7 years old. You let it be fearful of some identity, some entity, may it be your mother. Would you now free that 7 years old who's been now carrying it till whatever age you are? See, ये गुंडागर्दी कब तक चलेगी? खत्म. No more of this गुंडागर्दी. आए तो सही मेरे सामने कोई.
माँ है या बाप है.
So please let that go, and every time it comes, just do this, just do this, just do this. Go. Bye. Thank you. Not from anger, not from judgment, just from fun. Okay, now I'm so powerful. I can just let it go. There. Out. Every time that contraction happens, that's a lie. That's the lie you bought at 7 years old. Now you can say bye. Every time it happens, say bye. All of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory. Bye. All of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory.
Thank you, Kaval. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, darling.
कमल, you actually were doing ना, लग रहा था जैसे भस्म कर रहे हो. बस.
I know.
उड़ा दो.
Abhi, if you ask everybody,
Very
will
nice.
feel, I'm sure. Okay, everywhere I'm going into decision judgment. Okay, anybody can tell me you're still stressed or still have that contraction, or are you feeling light?
Light.
Light.
Only Param said, nobody else said.
No, light, but still थोड़ा fear.
ममता का बट है ना जो बहुत बड़ा है.
Fear है तो उसी
But is the only but you sit on, my love.
Sitting here for that, for sharing with you. So,
But is the only but you sit on. Okay, so what is your butt saying?
fear, जैसे fear का निकला तो fear तो
किस चीज का fear? Distractor implant कर रहे हैं हम. By the way,
Yes.
we are reading distractor implant. Okay. So what does the fear say? ममता एक ही दिन में शायद नहीं जाएगा डार्लिंग.
Yes, yes.
थोड़ा सा
That's-
चला गया
yes.
तो फिर कल इतना चला जाएगा. इतना जितना आप छोड़ना चाहोगे उतना चला जाएगा. पूरा छोड़ दोगे तो पूरा भी चला जाएगा. आप छोड़ना नहीं चाहते. You are the creator. You are a phenomenal co-creator. If you desire, it can go like that.
Now that change I'm seeing, ki when it comes, I'm able to let it go.
Yeah, you got the
And I'm
tools,
able
it
to
will
put-
come. I don't promise, Access doesn't promise कि आएगा नहीं. Access doesn't promise कि आएगा नहीं. Access promises use the tools, चला जाएगा. और faster चला जाएगा. पहले थोड़े दिन के लिए रहता था, महीनों सालों के लिए रहता था, फिर थोड़े महीनों के लिए रहता था, फिर थोड़े दिनों के लिए रहता, फिर थोड़े मोमेंट के लिए रहता, फिर आता जाता. You are the creator, my love. You are the creator.
Kawal, can I share something?
Yes,
Quickly?
please go ahead.
In fact, in one of your book reads, there was this, I don't know who it was, but somebody had shared that she'd gone to Texas and, her son was playing poker. I mean, was in the poker house or whatever, and he was winning and she didn't like it. and she was-
Nippy.
Yeah, nippy. And so she doesn't like all this poker, gambling and all. And, and then, so she says, I didn't like it and I willed that he loses. So my husband also is very good with card games and, his dad was alcoholic. He also loves alcohol. And I was to live in this fear, mera beta bhi. And I'm like, no, my son has to be, let him choose alcohol, but not alcoholic. So live in this fear, this anger. And then my husband also likes to play cards and poker. And beech mein pura din, he was out of a job and rummy throughout the day. So his explanation was, I'm making money for the family. I don't have a job. I'm making money. And just through your book read, I was thinking that I'm making so many things wrong. But what if I can just be at peace and just accept and say that, bhaiya, tumhari zindagi hai, do what's right for you. Be in the choice of what's right for you. And can I stop being the controlling bitch in everybody's life? And I don't even know what questions I asked. I just said, okay, universe, just keep me peaceful. I'm not going to control. I'm not going to say. You won't believe it. So for a whole month he played. And it just randomly kept asking this question out of the blue when I stopped reacting to the fact that he said, Aaj I won so much. So I started saying, good, okay. He just said, nahi yaar. I was like, wow. Just the question stopped it. My nagging for the last 17 years didn't.
Yeah, nagging never, ever stops it. Never, ever stops it. Nagging never stops it. It's your letting go. Or jab tak, you are the one who's keeping it alive, my love. You are the one with your nagging
Yeah.
keeping it alive. When you stop giving energy to it, you give a space to the person to see what they are doing. Before that, they're only looking at what you are doing, what you shouldn't be doing.
Yeah.
And it's so much of freedom to you and so much of freedom for the other person. Thank you for sharing. We have been living that life. My husband was an alcoholic. I have been living that life for 71 years. I was 24 when I got married. So you exclude that.
Yeah.
Kawal, can I share something?
Yes, please go ahead.
This thing about fear, I find, because there's a lot of fear, a lot of people are in fear. So we are picking up the fear energy and that's activating a lot of fear in us. It may not be this. It may not be fear of COVID, but it's the energy of fear. So I find returning to sender really helps in this case.
Thank
so that
you.
then
Yes.
you're not, and also not buying into everywhere I bought into this fear. That clearing also helped me a great deal. Both returning
Yes.
to sender as well as this everywhere I bought into this fear, can I destroy and create? These two things have really helped me, because in the beginning, I didn't realize that it was not I who was scared, just picking up so much of stuff from everybody. So this really helped me. I just wanted to share that. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, this midlife gets a bad rap for being in this heightened stress, dissolved marriages, deteriorating bodies, every area that you see. And then you are energetic beings. You are infinite energetic beings. You're picking it up from everywhere. So now that you have all these tools, it's a beautiful tool, Sagri. Thank you so much that you can return it to sender. It's not even yours. Like Renu said, I bought into what people say, alag kar dena chahiye. बच्चे इकट्ठे नहीं रह सकते. Whose point of view is that? Where have you bought it from? Your point of view creates your reality. If you have that point of view, tathastu, it will get created. Now you know your full potential. You can soar a new height. You can choose something that will work for you. Do not please go into decisions and judgments and conclusions and competitions. Projections and expectations and judgments and separations and rejections. Just ask a question. वो कितना काम है? Listen करना, ये right है, wrong है, ये करो ना, ये करो, वो करो, ये करो. Oh, just ask one question. Just be present with that and just ask one question. What is required for me to be, do, have, create, generate, actualize? Own your power, live courageously, not fearfully. Come on, you are an infinite being.
Thank you, Kaval. It's really light for me today.
Yeah.
How does it get any better than that? And what else is possible?
Today's class was
These tools will tell you to navigate and go where you want to go. It is easy, it is very simple living in this reality, living with these tools. The life has become so simple. Yes, Mamta.
Today's class is so good, I just can't tell. You're talking from, आज तो ऐसा लग रहा है अलग ही टॉप पे हम अलग ही वर्ल्ड में चले गए.
Your question takes the call to its place it wants to go. You want to go. You are the creator of this course.
Beautiful.
So that is why ask question, they pop. Yes, Kanchan, you joined late, darling.
I have a question that
Yes,
I am freer from my all members. It is a lot of fear कि जब भी उनको देखती हूँ तो डर सा लगता है कि क्या बोलूँ नहीं बोलूँ या अपने मन की बात कभी बोल नहीं पाती और वो लोग जो भी पहले का इम्प्लांट्स है या पहले की बातें वो इतनी माइंड में घर कर गई है कि उनसे इजी होके बात नहीं कर पाती हूँ और कभी ऐसे लगता है कि कभी कुछ बोलना है तो मुझे इतना सोचना पड़ता है. What can I do here?
अगर बात करोगे नहीं तो क्या होगा?
इजी होके लाइफ नहीं जी पा रही हूँ ना इनके साथ.
नहीं, बात ही करना लाइफ जीना होता है. अपनी लाइफ जियो उनके बगैर. किसके बगैर भी जीना चाह रही हो? मैंने सुना नहीं.
Everyone, all family members.
ओके. अगर अच्छा ये क्वेश्चन अपने आप को पूछ सकते हो हर वक्त, अगर मैं होती तो मैं क्या करती यहाँ पे?
हाँ, उसी एनर्जी में रहने की कोशिश करती हूँ, पर किसी समय उनसे जैसे टकराव जाता है, कभी कोई सामने बंदा है, कभी कोई है, तो जब
वो
कुछ
जो
कहने
कहते हैं, अगर वो जो भी कोई कुछ कहता है, अगर उसको मैं खरीद के अपने बैग में डाल के घर नहीं लाती तो उन्हीं का होता है वो।
तो वो
अगर
खरीद के लाके घर में
मैं
रख
आपको कोई गिफ्ट दूं,
तो
कंचन, में अगर आपको कोई गिफ्ट दूं और आप वो गिफ्ट ना लो तो वो किसका हुआ? मेरा हुआ ना।
हाँ, उन्हीं आप ही का हुआ।
तो जो भी लोग बोलते हैं, अगर वो, और गैरी हमेशा कहता है कि जो लोग बोलते हैं ना, वो अपनी बात कह रहे होते हैं। इट्स नथिंग टू यू डू विद यू। वो
I
जहां
know.
से, वो जिस एनर्जी से बोल रहे होते हैं ना, वो अपनी बात कर रहे होते हैं, वो वहां पे हैं।
तो
जब तक
मेरे-
आप उसको, आप सुनो, प्लीज सुन लो, प्लीज सुन लो, प्लीज सुन लो, फिर मैं आपकी सुनूंगी। जब पहले आप सुनाओ, चलो पहले आप सुनाओ, क्या कहना चाह रहे हो?
जब भी कुछ ऐसे सामने से बात होती है, चलो मैं नहीं बात करती, जब वो अगला बंदा बात करता है ना, तो मेरे पैर कपकपाने शुरू हो जाते हैं, अंदर से बहुत जम के डर बैठ जाता है कि अब बस अब पहले जैसा ही होगा, समथिंग समथिंग।
तो आपने सुना है एक नई बात मैं बोलने जा रही हूँ, जो मैंने पहले कभी नहीं बोली, कि योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्रिएट्स योर रियलिटी।
मैं भले नहीं भी बोलना चाहती, लेकिन मैं नहीं बात कर रही, इट्स ओके, लेकिन अगला तो मेरे से
आप सुन नहीं रहे बच्चा, आप सुन नहीं रहे।
जी।
योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्रिएट्स योर रियलिटी। अगर आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है कि मैं इनके सामने नहीं बोल सकती, ये मेरे से ज्यादा पावरफुल है, ये मेरे को कंट्रोल करते हैं, मेरी कोई लाइफ नहीं है, मैं जी नहीं पाती, तो तथास्तु, ये कोई भी बात वहीं से हटेगी नहीं।
जी।
तो आपको रोज सुबह उठ के एक सजेस्ट करती हूँ कि शीशे के आगे खड़े हो जाओ और बोलो अपने आप को, एक तो जोर से हग करो और बोलो कि मेरे जैसा दुनिया में कोई नहीं।
हाँ जी।
I can handle anything in life.
Yeah.
Can we have the energy and clarity? What energy, space, and consciousness can I be to have total clarity and ease in all of this?
Okay. Yeah.
हर रोज, हर टाइम आप एक शीशे के आगे से निकलते हैं और यही बोलेंगे अपने आप को कि मेरे को क्लैरिटी दे दे, शॉर्ट में बोल दो, मेरे को क्लैरिटी दे दे, और आई लव यू कंचन, आई लव यू, वी कैन डू एनीथिंग। कंचन, आई लव यू, वी कैन डू एनीथिंग। और भगवान और वो हायर पावर और कायनात और यूनिवर्स और जो भी आप उसका नाम लेते हो, उसको बोलो कि कैन आई हैव क्लैरिटी एंड ईज इन दिस ऑल ऑफ लाइफ। वो भी मत बोलो, ऑल ऑफ लाइफ कम्स टू मी विद ईज, जॉय एंड ग्लोरी। 100 बार बोलो रोज।
Okay.
उसका मतलब है जैसे हम ओम ओम वाहिगुरु करते बोलते जाते हैं दिन में, वैसे ही बोलते जाओ, ऑल ऑफ लाइफ कम्स टू मी विद ईज, जॉय एंड ग्लोरी, ऑल ऑफ लाइफ कम्स टू मी विद ईज, जॉय एंड ग्लोरी। और जब आपका ध्यान उनकी तरफ चला जाए, वो क्या कह रहे हैं, वो करेंगे क्या, ये ऑल ऑफ लाइफ कम्स टू मी विद ईज, जॉय एंड ग्लोरी। ये कहानियां पढ़नी बंद कर दो प्लीज। जो कहानी आपके दिमाग में चल रही है वो तथास्तु, वो पूरी हो जाएगी, वो एक्चुअलाइज हो जाएगी। आप इतने पावरफुल हो, जो आपके दिमाग में चल रहा है वो एक्चुलाइज हो जाएगा। अगर उसको एक्चुलाइज नहीं करना चाहते, all of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory, all of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory, all of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory.
Thank you.
Please have ways to live your life on purpose. Purpose of having fun, purpose of soaring high, purpose of creating a reality and life that you desire, rather than leaving it up on chance. वो करेगा, हो जाएगा। कब चेंज होंगे ये? How to have the courage to be you, to show up as you. Put these recordings on loop that we do every weak.
Yeah.
There is nothing that you can't change, Kanchan. There is nothing on planet Earth that you can't change. In these 8 years, I have seen people. I have seen people who have cured their diseases. I have seen people who have created a lot of money in their life. I have seen people who have created magic in their relationships. I have seen people who have moved on. This will not work, moved on and chose more, chose relationship, chose work, chose joy, chose everything. So there is nothing that an infinite being cannot choose change. लेकिन वो कहानी आपको उससे निकलने नहीं देगी. ऐसे हुआ, ऐसे करते, वैसे करते, मेरे साथ ऐसे, मैं क्या, वो ब्ला 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 ब्ला. वो जब भी आप बोलते हो, आप उसको एक्चुअलाइज कर देते हो. जब भी आप वो सोचते हो, आप उसको, उसकी होंद को ताजा कर देते हो. कहानियां सुनानी, कहानियां पढ़नी नहीं, कहानियां सुनानी और कहानियां बोलनी बंद कर दो, बंद कर दो. Do not talk even to yourself about them. Every time it's going to be work. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but if you want change, then you have to do it. Just ask yourself, do I really want change? Then if it's light,
Yeah.
there's nothing wrong. These people behave like that and you are like that. Maybe what have you chosen? You can have fun with that, like I was telling Renu, have fun with people, seeing people fighting and all is fun. But if you really want to change it, then you have to ask the universe to guide you. And guidance comes with lightness and heaviness.
Yeah.
This is the time to realize that you have realized your full potential.
Yeah.
And let your brilliance, creativity and leadership abilities shine way beyond you can ever imagine. This is the time to choose you, because you're here. You want to choose you. You want to go beyond,
Yeah.
and choice creates.
Yeah.
So आप कुछ मत करो. जब भी ध्यान में आया, एक तो all of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory. जब भी उनका ध्यान आया, तब भी ease, joy and glory. वो यही बोलो और say, I am an infinite being. I can change anything. ये दो ही चीजें करो और कुछ भी ना करो. और next week बताना how ease are you in your body. And that's what matters. दूसरे ease में है कि नहीं है, वो चुनेंगे तुम्हें देख के. तुम चुन रही हो उनको देख के. वो जिस शिट में बैठे हैं, तुम उनको देख के उनकी you want to be effect of people, or you want people to be affected by you?
People affected by me.
Yeah. So be the change that they're asking for, and they don't know. You're the only one who knows.
Yeah.
Maybe you're the one who has to bring them out from where they are.
Yeah.
Don't make anything wrong. What is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it?
How can? Yeah.
An interesting part is when you begin to unlock the limitations you have around you have around your other relationship, money, whatever, everybody around you starts to change too. Unlock that in their realities too. I don't know how, but they do. I've seen it.
But yeah.
Everything is correlated to our ability, capacities to receive.
Yes.
So unlock it. It makes sense to unlock it. Unlock it and leave and get the freedom. Function from freedom, choice and possibility. More of possibility, more of choice, more of question. आप अपनी लाइफ सिर्फ क्वेश्चन, चॉइस, पॉसिबिलिटी, कंट्रीब्यूशन से जियो and see the magic. Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, pop, on a short, boys and beyond? So guys, it's 9:16.
Kamal, I
Any
want to
more
ask
question
something.
before? Okay, Vanisha, last.
Yes. कमल, now the thing is body में बहुत सारा कुछ लॉक होता है जिसकी वजह से बॉडी पेन भी करती है, मतलब ईज में नहीं होती, राइट? सो नाउ आई जस्ट वांटेड टू हैव अ क्लियरिंग, जो भी मेरी बॉडी में लॉक हो मैं उसको रिलीज कर सकूं, उसको इरेज कर सकूं, एंड आई बी एट
This is the clearing. You just said. My clearing is not the clearing. There is no one clearing to rule all clearing. You just said it. मैं ये चाहती हूँ. Put it in words. Just say it. Okay, what would it take?
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Everywhere you all are looking for one clearing to rule all. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad?
Yes.
Kaval, when you said that you being affected by people, तभी मुझे immediately आया, yes, I don't mind being affected by people like Gary, Dane and you and other ex.
No, Mamta, don't get, even Gary and Dane say, please don't follow me, follow your knowing. I love this about Gary, I love this about Access. They don't bind you, they set you free, they just give you these tools, ingredients देते हैं आपको और आप जो मर्जी create करो. अपनी लाइफ खुद क्रिएट करना शुरू करो, from the lightness, from the knowing, from your perception. Perceive, know, be and receive. Don't follow anyone. Don't put anybody on the pedestal. When you put somebody on higher, उनको 1 मिनट लगता है नीचे फेंकने का. उन्होंने आपके जैसे सोचा नहीं, उन्होंने कुछ ऐसी बात कह दी जो आपने सुननी नहीं आज, तो इसको तो नीचे फेंक दो. So what I love about Gary and Access is it empowers you to know that you know. That is the tagline on every book. Empower you to know that you know. You know, guys, you know. Tap into your knowing. Instead of saying, वो क्या कहेगा तो मैं करूं, वो क्या कहेगा तो मैं करूं. नहीं, मेरे को क्या पता है मैं वो करूं. And Gary always says people come back for more in Access because they've got. किसी ने मनी क्लास करी है तो उसकी बॉडी हेल्दी होने लगी है, किसी ने बॉडी का क्लास करी है तो उसकी मनी आने शुरू हो गई. Any area of your life that isn't ease, joy and glory is where you have lack of consciousness, lack of awareness. So where am I being unaware? कोई choice जो आपकी काम नहीं करती. What moment of unconsciousness did I choose that? And can I shift it now? Can I change it now? Can I choose something different now? So ask for awareness and consciousness and presence in every now moment. कोई भी situation करने लगे हो, कोई भी question कोई भी काम करने लगे हो, ask. If I was aware, if I was being mean, if I was being conscious, present, what would I choose? Energy never lies, guys. I keep saying it again and again. You will get it when you get it.
Beautiful.
So don't put anybody on the pedestal. Na ghar wala, tum pati parmeshwar, na bacche, na anybody outside that. Gary, Dane, Kamal, anybody. Just put yourself, know yourself that you are an infinite being and you know it all. Tap into your knowing. Energy will never lie. Light and heavy follow करो. हर चीज के लिए question पूछो, हर चीज के लिए follow करो light and heavy. You will never falter. And if it is, that is you have asked for it. Now what can you choose? Now what can you be?
Thank you so much, Kaval. I'm feeling so light. अब मैं enjoy करूँगी सब.
बिल्कुल enjoy करो. अपनी बहन के घर जाओ, पिक्चरें देखो. देखो, टीवी के ऊपर पिक्चरें देखो। तो ये क्लियरिंग चलती रहनी चाहिए, फोनों के ऊपर चलती रहनी चाहिए। लाइट वो म्यूट से थोड़ा
बिंदु के हाथ का खाना खाओ,
हैं?
खुद मत बनाना, जो सारा दिन खाना बनाती रहती है, बिंदु को बनाने देना।
हाँ बिल्कुल। बोलो आज मेरा बेटा, मैनिपुलेट करो, बच्चा आज मेरा बिल्कुल दिल नहीं कर रहा खाना बनाने को, आज मुझे ये बना के दे सकते हो आप? They will love doing it. They have never asked.
किसको बोलूं? किसको बोलूं?
दीदी दीदी
जो बनाता है
दीदी को
नहीं, अभी कवर, अभी ये इतनी शेर बनी हुई है, रूम से बाहर जाएगी, सबसे पहले किचन में जाएगी, 12 बजे तक she'll be there cooking for the entire clan.
अच्छा, आज मैं एक आपको ऑर्डर करूं? आज मैं एक आपको ऑर्डर करूं? अपनी एसी ऑन करो, चादर लो, जयपुरी रजाई लो और ले जाओ।
Kawal, आज तो I can't take your order today because आज chana bhatura is made by mama.
Mama, see, this is
Okay,
it, you know.
Tomorrow you can
Yes,
do this
yes, I can agree.
drama.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow you
Yeah.
can do this drama. Lie down after this class. आप lie down, take a quilt रजाई and सो जाओ. Let somebody come and ask you, मम्मा क्या हुआ, आप उठे क्यों नहीं? बेटा आज पता नहीं क्यों नहीं. And
हम लोग आज ही करेंगे।
sorry बेटा, मैं आज उठ के कुछ बना नहीं सकूंगी। आज मेरे को मैं उठूंगी, अगर मेरा दिल करेगा तो मैं उठूंगी, अब मेरे को प्लीज मैं सो जाऊं बस। देखो तमाशा।
और
बिंदु
मस्ती
हम लोग
से
आज करेंगे, हम लोग आज
क्या?
करेंगे।
नहीं, मुझे तो जरूरत नहीं है, मैं तो क्वीन हूँ यार, मेरे को किसी की सुनती मैं किसी की सुन।
बिंदु, व्हाट यू मीन जरूरत नहीं है?
नहीं यार, जिसने खाना
Do you want to see your capacity of manipulation?
Yes, I want to see that. पर किसको
do that.
manipulate कर?
So do that. How much fun can you have?
See, I'm in so much gratitude. 3 days back, I was saying my shoulder is paining, work बर्तन मांझ के और मुझे इतनी प्यारी मेड आ गई, तो मेरे पास ग्रेटिट्यूड के अलावा कुछ है ही नहीं।
और हमने भी तो क्लियरिंग करी थी, वो शोल्डर की बात भी तो करी थी शोल्डर की।
आपने की थी, यहाँ हमने की थी, राइट। और फिर नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग शी केम एंड शी वाज ऑन माय डोर एंड अब तो वो खाना भी बना रही है, तो अब तो वो क्लीनिंग कर रही है, तो मेरा घर तो 7 स्टार लगने लग गया। मैंने उसको 2 स्टार बना दिया था। झाड़ू कहीं से कर रही थी, कहीं पे कचरा पड़ा होता था। बाथरूम, आई कुडंट क्लीन द बाथरूम। मैं सोचती थी अगर मैं गिर गई, सब लोग बोल रहे
my room is 2 star, my whole house is 7 star. Now that guy is cleaning, but I haven't even allowed him into my room as yet.
कवल, मैं यही सोचती थी, मैं स्लिप हो गई, इनका क्या जाना, ये तो कहेंगे बेचारी मम्मी बाथरूम सड़ने दो। The best part, मेरे को एक वर्ड अच्छा लगता है, भाड़ में जाए।
Yeah.
और आप कल मैं
and Kawal, I can say what she's saying is very true. She's like that only.
कुछ सीखो, हम लोग बोलते हैं कुछ सीखो, सीखा को सीखो, पर आप बोल सकते हो बिंदु से सीखो।
रेनू दीदी से तो सीखती नहीं है। Renu, you're not learning anything from Didi.
No, because I don't want to be her. I don't want to be her.
अच्छा, कल मेरे
She's happy being Renu. Why does she?
Yeah, very sure about it. Very sure, Kawal. I'm very sure what I want to be. ये एक phase I am after my husband. Otherwise, I think so. I'm very sure what I was doing.
ज्यादा हस्बैंड मत कर, बुला लेगा ऊपर।
I like this.
Bindu, you such
That was a good one.
Right.
That was a good one. Oh my God! आप लोगों को मजा आ रहा है? बहुत हो गया, 1.5 घंटा हो गया, मैंने 9:30 बजे वो करनी है. बाय.
हाँ जाइए
कमल माई आज की abundance. पता है मेरे को तो समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं मांगू क्या. मेरे को तो इतना कुछ चाहिए. मतलब
अच्छा, मेरी दूसरी कॉल है. बाय बाय.